Today's problem is longest substring without duplicate characters. So this problem is whenever something comes as a longest or shortest, so the first thing that should come to the mind that this is a problem of sliding window. Okay, so let's say I have a string a b c a b c and b b. This is my string s. So I have to give a longest substrings without a duplicate characters. So let's start with the a b c. This is the first window. Okay, now the next to c is a, that is repeating character. This is the first window, so the value of this will be 3. Okay, that is the length of it. Now we start with the b c a. Now again b come into the picture, so this won't be the one that is counting, so we'll be having a 3. So now c a b, that will be 3. Now a b c, that will be 3. Now if you see c a b b, no, so the maximum length will be 3. Okay, now how you will do it in a optimized way? So for the optimized way, what we are doing, let's create a hash map. Okay, I will tell you why I had taken a hash map later on. Let's create a hash map of characters with respect to integers. Okay, so let's say I had taken a n as a length of this particular string, so that my for loop runs with this particular length, and I had taken a integer of maximum length. So I am initializing this as a 0. I will keep on iterating my loop for this length, and I will doing something to this maximum length, and then this will be my return point. Okay, now let's say I have a hash map. Why I am taking a hash map? Because I need a character with respect to the integer. And here the character will be one particular character, and an integer will be, the value of the integer will be the index where it is sitting. So that's why I need a char map. Okay, because I need that index so that I can iterate and I can change the max length, because anyways this is the index, like index 0, the left window of the index 0, and then right window. I will tell you the later point. Okay, so I created a hash map. Okay, this is a new hash map. Okay, this is I am initializing. Now why I had taken, let's suppose this is the hash map. So once so let's start a b c a b c b b. This is my string. Okay, so I am just keeping there is a left pointer that I'm like keeping it at a 0. There is a right pointer also that I'm keeping as a 0, and I will iterate this right pointer till the length of n, so that I can have a window. And suppose I'm just telling that suppose nth is equal to 0 and right pointer reaches to this one 1. So what will be the maximum length? Like what would be the length? Current length will be right minus left plus 1. Okay, this is the current length. I am just telling these all things because these all things will be used later on. So I have a hash map already. So I am like starting with my left pointer as 0 and right pointer as a 0, and I am just starting my right pointer. So I will take a character c is equal to s dot char at r, my right pointer. Okay, because I am iterating. Okay, and here what I had done, here I will put this particular into my char map dot put, where what I will do, I will put this particular c with respect to its index. So first A came, this is my hash map, first A came into the picture, A will be at 0. Okay, this is the something like that. Now B come into the picture, B will be 1. Now C come into the picture, C will be 2. Now again A came into the picture. Okay, now this is actually where it is duplicate check. Now how I will check this duplicate and what I will do with this. Now just like this particular, before this I will check if char map dot contains key of C. Okay, so it is checking char. Okay, if this is true, what I will do, I will take this left pointer which is currently as a 0. I will move this left pointer to the next of a where the duplicates come. Okay, now I am just moving this here. Where I had moved the left pointer to the next of it. Okay, A came into the picture, so I am just moving it here. Okay, +1. So I just moved the left pointer will be, I am just writing over somewhere here. I will write in a next window. I am just writing for you. For int L is equal to 0, R is equal to 0, R is less than N, and R plus plus. This is my for loop, and I had taken a char. C is equal to S dot char at of R. Okay, if this is what I'm saying, if char map dot contains key of what, C, if this is true, then my left pointer will be char map dot get of C plus 1. Why I had done, I had just moved the pointer ahead, 1 ahead. Okay, and this is already I had written char map dot put what I will put C with respect to R. Okay, this is what I will do within a loop. Okay, and the next of this, what I will do, I will do max length thing also. Max length is equal to math dot max of what, of right minus left plus 1. This would be the length, and then again max length, which is I had started with the 0. This is what I will do in a for loop, and I will return it as a max length. So this is a program. Okay, now what is the complexity of it? Complexity will be just O of n. Okay, because I will iterate this complete R to one particular to its length. And what will be the space complexity? Space complexity will be the minimum of what? The minimum of this particular length and M. Let's say M would be what? If it is 256 character ASCII. Okay, if we are taking ASCII, means like this string can have a special character, comma, and these all things. So we'll have a 256. If it is just alphabets, then it is 26. So this is a space complexity. Okay, this much.